This video is a guide to help you navigate the Hardship Hub website. When you first visit the Hardship Hub, the first thing you will need to do is register your interest. Simply add in your key information in the sections provided and wait to be notified that your account has been verified. Once you receive an email confirmation, you will have access to the site. Simply click on the Login button in the top banner menu and enter your email address and password. You will land on our homepage, which has key information about the Hardship Hub and a video to explain a little bit more about what we're trying to do and how we can help. If you scroll down and click on the area you work in, you will see all the schemes available to your clients in the county that you work in. The initial list is in rating order to help ease of access and try and provide the most useful schemes to help your clients. By clicking the Sort By button in the left-hand menu, you can change the list into an alphabetical order if you know specifically what you're looking for. Having this function and the filter functions below in a TripAdvisor style helps navigate the website and helps recommend the right schemes for your specific client. Now, let's say you're based in Salford and you have a woman in front of you who needs help with crisis management. Simply use the filter options in the left-hand column and filter down the specifics, such as filtering your location to Salford, the gender to female, and the outcomes that you are looking for your client. You'll notice that the top result is a scheme specifically catering to your filtered options. Once on the page, you can see an overview of the scheme, and this will help you verify if the scheme is best suited for your client. By navigating through the page, you can see further details in the description tab, as well as ratings to grasp how other advisors have found the scheme, as well as alternative schemes, in case the scheme is closed or might not be exactly what you're looking for. Additionally, there is a frequently asked questions section if you want to find out more, or if you have a question you would like to specifically ask the charity or organisation. If this is the right scheme for your client, you can contact them by the key contact information on their page. Now, let's say a week or two has passed and you've seen your client again and the scheme has managed to help that individual. To make the Hardship Hub more efficient, feedback is important. By having direct feedback to the scheme owner, this can help the scheme improve, but also help recommend schemes to other users. To do this, scroll to the Ratings tab and add a rating based on your experience. Over time, you will notice yourself returning to multiple schemes with great ratings, so keeping up to date with these will be of high priority. So here is how to keep up to date with these schemes. Say you find a great scheme and you find yourself returning to it frequently, or you've noticed that a scheme only has a limited fund. We know that you'd want to keep up to date with the scheme. By simply clicking the subscribe button in the left-hand column, you can stay up to date with any changes to the scheme. Additionally, if you found a scheme that you find yourself using frequently and know a colleague who would benefit from knowing about the project, you can simply click on Share with an Advisor. Type in their name and they will be sent a link to the scheme on email so they can find out all about it. The person you share this with may know other organisations that aren't on the Hardship Hub, so how can new organisations become part of the Hardship Hub? Say you were aware of a fund that you've used before. It's a great scheme but currently isn't on the Hardship Hub. To get the most out of the website, this scheme should be added for other advisors to use, and you as an advisor can add the scheme. At the top of the list there is an option to create a scheme. Simply fill out the details you have about the scheme, including an email address for the key contact in the organisation who manages the scheme. Click Save Scheme. The key contact will then be contacted and be asked to take ownership and claim the scheme on the site. If you are added as a key contact and confirm you are happy to take ownership of the scheme, you'll be provided with a login to the site and instructions on how to take control. Log in and find your scheme. Click Claim Scheme. You may wish to add additional information to your page, or change information that may be wrong or out of date. In this situation, click on the Account button in the top banner menu and navigate to the Manage Schemes button in the left-hand column. For this example, maybe you've expanded to a new location. By navigating to the Edit buttons in each section, you can add a new location or any other information you may wish to add. Additionally, you can add frequently asked questions and answer questions that other people may have asked. One key thing that needs to be done is to click on the Edit tool for the official section in the left-hand column. This helps verify your scheme for others to view. This lets users know that the scheme is managed, so they know the information is up to date. When you've finished, simply click the Save Scheme button at the bottom. The Hardship Hub is designed to help money and debt advisors and make their lives that little bit easier. But we know that some members of the public who may find themselves in financial trouble may stumble across the site. We have information that targets specifically for these people, and a video to help explain what this website is used for and how these people may find help for their situation. But we felt we could go the extra mile to help. By clicking on the specific county they are in, they will see a number of general support charities. By filtering down to the specific area, they will find local advice organisations that they can use, including local citizens advice bureaus and local councils with key information about how to contact the right people to get the help and support they need.